In this video, you'll learn how to add a Visa gift card to your eBay account. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to successfully link a Visa gift card for future purchases on eBay. Start by logging into your eBay account. Once you are signed in, navigate to the account settings section. Look for the area labeled Payment or Wallet Settings, where you manage your payment methods. This section allows you to add new cards for future purchases, which is essential for linking your Visa gift card. Next, click on the option that allows you to add a credit or debit card. Having your Visa gift card ready will streamline this process. After selecting the Add Card option, you will be taken to a new screen where you can enter the card information. This step prepares your account for adding the new card. After that, type in the Visa gift card number, expiration date, and security code in the required fields. Some cards may also ask for a billing address for verification purposes. Ensure that the information you enter matches the card details exactly. It is important to double check for any typing errors before proceeding to save the card. Accurate details help prevent any payment issues during your transactions. Once you have entered all the necessary information, save the card. Now that the Visa gift card is saved, you can select it as a payment method when purchasing items. During the checkout process, after choosing a product, you will reach the payment section. Here, select the Visa gift card as your payment method. Before confirming your order, ensure that the card balance is sufficient to cover the total purchase amount. Once you have verified the balance, confirm the order to complete the transaction. The payment will be processed using the available balance on your Visa gift card, allowing for a smooth checkout experience. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.